Namaste, Namaskar. New innovation and patent titled as Appari'S Smart Submersible Pump and Accessories for Uninterrupted Water Supply. This is a granted application bearing patent number 537013. Date of grant 6th May 2024. Application number 2019 210 05402. Date of patent 12th February 2019. Applicants name Sidramappa, Shivashankar, Dharane and et. Abstract: the main aspect of invention, which also provides the use of smart submersible pump for efficient and uninterrupted water supply from the borewells. The continuity of flow can be maintained by adjusting the outlet discharge from the borewell is less than or equal to inlet discharge in the borewell. This can be done by using smart submersible pump by designing and using the various capacities of pump motors connected in parallel and monitored by sensors as per the water level in the borewell. The capacities of pump motors and the locations of the sensors depends upon the discharge capacity available in the borewell. The smart submersible pumps maintain the continuity of flow automatically as it is monitored by sensors located at different levels in the borewell. Also, the further aspect of invention to make use of water scarce borewells, tube wells, the uninterrupted water supply can further be maintained by using speed regulators to the pump motors after designing the proper capacity of pump motor, pipe diameter, etc. The speed regulator may be single phase or three phase. By using speed regulators to the pump motors, the continuity of flow can be maintained and thereby gets maximum quantity of water even from water scarce borewells. The above invention can be used for water supply for various purposes and as well it saves the electricity. Claims: there is only one claim. A method of steady, continuous and uninterrupted supply of water from borewells is to employ sensors at various water levels to regulate different pump motors simultaneously and maintain the water flow, which is characterized by a main pump motor 3 that is designed for minimum water level. The water level is numbered as 3.1, operating even during droughts or summer months with speed regulators and maintains the continuity of flow, that is Q outlet is less than or equal to Q inlet. These additional pump motors 4, 5, 6 are manual or automatic and their operation is depend on the water level in the borewell. The respective water levels are 4.1, 5.1, 6.1 respectively, and are monitored by water level sensors and is cost effective and reduces the consumption of electricity and related fossil fuels, since the additional pump motors are tracked by sensors positioned at various depths within the borewell. They are utilized in the borewells with minimum to maximum water supply. Design and salient features. 1. Design and use of various capacities of pump motors connected in parallel and monitored by sensors as per the water level in the borewell. Second, the capacities of pump motors and the location of various sensors will be as per the availability of inlet discharge in the borewell. Third, the capacities of main pump motor can be designed for minimum inlet discharge so that it even works in droughts when the inlet discharge is minimum. Fourth, further the additional pump motors can be designed for different levels of water in borewell and also for maximum inlet discharge, which even works in rainy season when the inlet discharge is maximum. The additional pump motors automatically and simultaneously work for different levels of water in the borewell, which are monitored by the sensors placed at different levels as per the requirement, along with the main pump motor, as all the additional pump motors are connected in parallel with the main pump motor. Sixth number, even in case of water scarce borewells, tube wells can be effectively used to get the maximum quantity of water, further by maintaining continuity of flow by using one speed regulator to pump motors after designing the proper diameter of pipe and capacity of pump motor. According to the main aspect of the invention, there is to provide an efficient and uninterrupted water supply from borewells by using small submersible pump. The present conventional system or method of getting the water from the borewells are having some limitations. These limitations have been overcome in the present innovative approach by designing and using the various capacities of pump motors connected in parallel and monitored by sensors as per the water level in the borewell. The capacities of pump motors and the location of the sensors depend upon the discharge capacity available in the borewell. The main pump motor is designed for minimum inlet discharge, which works even in case of drought and summer season, whereas additional pump motors designed for various levels of water in the borewell and monitored by using sensors will automatically and simultaneously work along with the main pump motor. Further, water scarce borewells which are not in use because of their small supply of water can be used effectively. Further, the aspect of invention which provides the use of water scarce borewells or tube wells. The uninterrupted water supply can be maintained by using different capacities of pump motors connected in parallel and monitored by the sensors as per the water level in the borewell. Further, speed regulators can be used to pump motor after designing the proper capacities of pump motors to adjust the continuity of flow. The speed regulators may be single phase or three phase. By using speed regulators to the pump motors, the continuity of flow can be maintained and thereby gets maximum quantity of water even from water scarce borewells. The above invention can be used for water supply for various purposes. In case water availability or discharge or water supply in the borewell is less, in that case, after designing proper capacity of pump motor and pipe diameter, etc., speed regulators can be effectively used effectively to maintain the continuity of flow to get the maximum quantity of water, and said water can be stored in water storage tanks or directly can be used depending upon the requirements. The method is simple and effective, as well cost effective, and works across country and globe, as well it saves the electricity. Summary of invention. In present conventional system or methods of getting water from the borewells are having some limitations. These limitations have been overcome in the present innovative approach by using the smart submersible pump. It consists of designing and using various capacities of pump motors connected in parallel and monitored by sensors as per water level in the borewell. The capacities of pump motors and the location of the sensor depend upon the discharge capacity available in the borewell. Further, the water scarce borewells which are not in use because of their smaller supply of water can be used effectively. Further, the aspect of invention which also provides the use of water scarce borewells, tube wells. The uninterrupted water supply can be maintained by using different capacities of pump motors connected in parallel and monitored by the sensors. Further, speed regulators can be used to pump motors after designing the proper capacity of pump motors to adjust the continuity of flow. The speed regulators may be single phase or three phase. By using speed regulators to the pump motors, further the continuity of flow can be maintained and thereby gets maximum quantity of water even from water scarce borewells. The above invention can be used for water supply for various purposes and works across the country and globe. The method is simple and effective, as well cost effective, and works across the country and globe and save the electricity. This is the certificate of grant. Thanks. Thank you.